talk a little bit about star charts and how to use them to figure out what's up in the sky at a given time of year. And you have some star charts in the back of your textbook. It's Appendix I. So hopefully this will help you make sense out of that if you want to do some observing. Now consider the overhead view star map for July at midnight shown below in Figure 1. In particular, notice that the directions of north, so down the page, and east have been identified, and that the names of different star groups or constellations have been provided. So we have things like Virgo and Libra and Scorpius, Ophiuchus, Hercules, Bootes. It's always a favorite with the kids. Some familiar ones: Ursa Minor, Little Dipper, Ursa Major, Big Dipper, Leo the Lion. So lots of our constellations, and the ones that you can see northern hemisphere for the month of July. Now, this whole tutorial is going over how to think about what this map is representing. But I'm going to say in words at the start how that works out, and then hopefully as we go through the tutorial it'll make more sense if it doesn't make sense initially. So the way you should think of this is you take the piece of paper and you're going to flip it over and hold it over your head, and then that, imagine being stretched over the celestial sphere, is showing you everything from all your horizons, north, south, east, west, is the entire sky being shown. So let's look at the first question. Which star group will appear highest in the night sky at this particular time? So we want to look in the center of the map, because all around the edge, that's on your horizon. And the thing that's going to be at your zenith, 90 degrees away from your horizon, is in the middle of the map. And the constellation that's there is Draco. Let's do some other parts here. Now, Figure 2 shows a south-facing horizon view star map for July at midnight. What is the name of the star group that appears highest in the sky on this south-facing horizon view star map? Well, you're not going to get the name off of this, but that little squiggle is our Draco. So there, in this representation for how you would use the star map and how you're visualizing what it's representing, the center of the map is at your zenith. So there's Draco. So how would I have to hold, rotate, fold, and or change the overhead view star map shown in Figure 1 so that it could be used as a south-facing star map like the one provided in Figure 2? So as we said, I'm going to hold it up, so I'm not looking down at the paper, but I'm looking up, and we're going to need to have just the south-facing view. We would have to fold it over so that we only have the south-facing view of the sky, and then that half of our star map is what fits in that view of the celestial sphere. So we need to hold overhead, face south, and cover north half of sky by folding. How would you answer the previous question change if you want to use a star map from Figure 1 as a north-facing star map? So everything is is the same idea, except you're going to then face the north direction, and you would cover south by folding. So if we did that to our figure 1, so we're only looking at the bottom half of the map, and then we painted it on a north-facing view, then we would just see those set of stars in the northern half. Do you still agree with your answer to question 1? Yes, because I've been reading star maps for a while, so I was used to it. All right. When looking at the overhead view star map from figure 1, on what part of the map, left, right, top, bottom, or center, is a star group that will appear highest in the night sky? And what is the name of this star group? Well, it is in the center of the map, and it is Draco. And what part of the star map, left, right, top, bottom, or center, is the star group that will appear near the southern horizon? And what is the name of this star group? All right, so this is the northern horizon. So opposite that is the southern horizon. And the star group that I can see, at least most of it there, is Scorpius. And that is at the top of the map. On which part of the map, left, right, top, bottom, or center, is the star group that will appear near the eastern horizon? What is the name of the star group? All right, so northern horizon, southern horizon, eastern horizon. And what do we have there? That is Capricornus. And that is on the right side of the map. All right, so hopefully that helps with using star charts and getting a sense of how to imagine how they look on the sky.